Hello everyone, I made this video for my colleagues, teachers and my students because I found something on the internet. I'm sharing this with you because it's very useful. What's this? I found it on Jarir. You know, now the teaching is going to be online. It's very hard to write. We're used to writing like with actual pens. It's hard to use the mouse for writing. It's hard to use the touchpad of the laptop like this one here. It's very hard. So I found this at Jarir bookstore. It's like $50. It's basically a pad and a pen. You can like write on it and it appears on the screen. So I just got it. I'm gonna do unboxing. I'm gonna be honest, I already unboxed it. So this is it. Yep. Red on the back. It's black from the front. It comes with a USB cable, obviously that you have to connect it to the laptop, and it comes with the pen. You need to install the software for it, and once you do, it will be working perfectly. So I'm gonna do that later. So basically, like, this is it's very smooth. It has 2 clicks here. You can use it for multiple things. Mainly it's for scrolling up and down, and this is for just like moving around and writing with it. There's something here. I'm not sure what that is. It seems like I think it's like the head of the, I don't know if you can see. Anyway, Mahafti. Anyway, is there something else here? That's just the manual. This thing here where you can put the pen so you don't lose it. Dude. Okay. For all other teachers, I recommend you get this one. I think it's very useful. Students also might need it. I don't know why they might need it. I guess they might need it. I'm gonna like download the software and try it on my laptop. Alright, so let us test how this is gonna work. Oh, pen. Okay. So, mage. Hello. Well, it's actually, you need to like get used to it, and yeah. Subscribe. Yeah, now. Thank you for watching. Bye.